And you all know very well how do you live, and but I think Tanish does not live in Jaipur. He lives in Bandikui, but he knows about city very well. So today my topic is that you have to speak about city. What type of life is there in city? What type of people are there in city, in a city, or what facilities are available in a city in general, like medical facilities, like education facilities. There are so many things. There are good roads, good gardens, good doctors. So there are many things you know well about them. And you know also very well that what are the drawbacks of city life. Like there is so much pollution, like there are so many crimes, like there are some other types of problems also. So you have to think about it and then you have to speak on the topic. So first of all, I would like to say you to write down your names in the chat box, message box, so that I can call your names to speak on the topic. So please start giving your names. Come on. Okay, very good. I've got the names of Sushil, Tanesh, Umesh, Ronak, Kabir. Okay, very good. So, okay. So, first of all, I am calling Sushil to speak on the topic.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Sushil.
Hello. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Raman online interactive classes from B16 and also from B18. And today our topic is city life. As we know that we are living in a city whose name is Jaipur,
Hmm.
and city life is known for its facilities and uh, and schools and colleges and hospitals.
Hmm.
Cities, cities have many kinds of facilities like medical, education, and means of
Hmm.
enter, entertainment, etc.
Hmm.
And we know very well that we also have come here to सर फायदा उठाने को क्या बोलते हैं
To get the benefit.
yes sir we also have come here to get benefit of these facilities
Hmm.
there are many schools like uh, like government school and private schools and the children of rich people go to private school and the fees of private school is very high so everyone can't afford it so so poor children go to government school
Hmm.
and cities have banks so we can get loan for anything
Hmm.
like if we want to buy a house so we can get loan from banks and cities have hospitals so we can keep fit
We can
and
keep our body fit.
yes, sir, we can keep our body fit. And there are many parks, so we can go for walk.
Hmm.
So that is it.
Okay, ठीक है, कोशिश करते रहो बस. Very good. Yes, Tanish.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Tanish. I am a student of the Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 19.
Hmm.
Today, my topic is city. As we know that city, as we know that city is very important. I live in city. There are 4,000 cities in India.
Shabash, very good. हाँ.
Mm, I live in city whose name is Bandipur.
Hmm.
There are many facilities like education, water supply, and educate and college.
Hmm. शाबाश शाबाश, वेरी बहुत बढ़िया बोला, घबराए मत. हाँ.
There are many schools, colleges, and there is a railway station.
शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, बोले जा, घबराए मत. हाँ.
Sir, एक second. There are many temples.
फोकस कर बस, बांदीकुई पे फोकस कर, अपने शहर के पास फोकस कर. इमेजिन कर चीजों को. घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, ब्लॉक मत हो, जो नहीं आ रहा उसको छोड़ दे. फोकस कर बेटा चीजों के ऊपर, क्या है कैसे है, वो फोकस कर बेटा. हाँ.
All some village peoples are come to Bandipur
आर मत लगाओ, कम टू बांदीकुई. हाँ.
because village have no facilities,
हम्म.
but the city have many facilities.
शाबाश शाबाश, वेरी गुड.
There are many temples, gardens,
हम्म.
parks,
हम्म.
and schools.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, बोलता रहे बस, घबरा मत. हाँ.
Mm, Bandipur famous thing is Kali Mungfali.
हम्म.
That's it, sir.
ओके बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, कोशिश करता रहे बस, आ जाएगा बेटा, धीरे 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 धीरे. अब कंटिन्यू करेंगे अपने इसको, है ना. हाँ, बस चिंता मत करो, हो जाएगा. उमेश.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I am a student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today my topic is city. Cities have very important role in our life.
हम्म.
I live in Jaipur city.
हम्म.
There are many cities in India. Jaipur city is very big and clean city.
शाबाश, हाँ बेटा, वेरी गुड.
There are many shops in cities. We purchase anything easily.
हम्म.
And there are many big schools. You get good education,
हम्म.
and there is a big hospitals. You get good treatment.
आ रहेगा ना, देर आर गुड हॉस्पिटल्स.
There are good hospitals. You get good treatment.
हम्म.
Cities have proper road.
हम्म. शाबाश.
There are many big buildings. There are many famous places in Jaipur city.
हम्म.
You visit there. There are many parks in cities. Children play there.
हम्म.
But there are many crimes in cities. and there are so many pollution in cities,
So much pollution.
so much pollution in cities.
और बाहर नहीं
We
आएगा, इज आएगा,
travel,
थोड़ा ध्यान रखा कर। आगे बोल। हाँ।
we we travel easily in cities.
हम्म,
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश। बस ऐसी प्रैक्टिस करते रहो। यस रौनक।
Hello everyone, my name is Dondak. I'm the students of Rama Interactive classes from batch 18. Today's my topic is city life. I live in Rajasthan, and Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Bhajanlal Sharma is the chief minister of Rajasthan. Um, Many tourists are come here.
आर क्यों लगा रहा है? सब सत्यानाश कर देता है।
Many tourists come here.
हाँ।
And there are many advantages of city life because city has many medical facilities, education facilities, etc. Uh, but there are many problems in city because there are electricity and air is very big problem for city because cities air is not fresh
हम्म,
as compared to village life. uh, City has many education source just like school, college, tuition, library, etc.
हम्म,
We educate with the help of school, colleges. We and city life is very peaceful, but there are many crimes and accident. City people is very hurry
आर इन वेरी,
hurry
आर इन हरी।
are in
ग्रामेटिकल थोड़ा
hurry
ध्यान रख।
and
हाँ।
are in a hurry, and that reason there are many accident
बिकॉज ऑफ इट, दैट रीजन की जगह
because
बिकॉज ऑफ इट। हाँ।
of it. I like city life. That's it, sir.
ओके ठीक है, वेरी गुड। ग्रामेटिकल ध्यान रखो थोड़ा चीजों का। कबीर।
Okay, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambar English and Directing classes from batch 18. Today's my topic is city life. As we know that city life is very peaceful. Cities has many facilities, like cities has many schools, colleges, factories, etc. City city have many educational source like schools, colleges. People go there for study. Uh, uh, Cities has many pakki roads and strong houses.
हम्म,
Ci- city technology is very good. Cities have many expensive vehicles.
हम्म, शाबाश शाबाश, बोलता रहे, घबरा मत। हाँ।
City uh, it 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 have many vehicles company phone companies. People cities people are very selfish. They don't talk anyone.
हम्म,
Ci- uh, city has many pollution because city have many vehicles. People are very hurry to go one place to another place. So 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 in city uh, there are many accidents.
हम्म,
Yes, sir, that's it.
ओके ठीक है, कोशिश बहुत अच्छी है, और इम्प्रूव करो बेटा अभी, है ना। अब कंटिन्यू रखेंगे अपन इसको, थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस को। यस कम ऑन नाउ वैष्णवी।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from B18 and today my topic is city life. As you know that in India there are many cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Jaipur, Chandigarh, etc. And Jaipur is one of them. And Rajasthan's capital is Jaipur. And there are many tourist places like Birla Mandir, Amir Kila, Jantar Mantar, City Palace, etc. And there are good facilities like big schools, colleges, universities, hostels, etc.
Hmm.
And Jaipur city is very big and it is very clean city.
Hmm.
And there are many hospitals like SMS Hospital, JK Loan, etc.
Hmm.
And there are many
Hmm.
five-star hotels. And Jaipur is very peace, good and very peaceful city.
Hmm.
And the city people are in hurry up,
Hurry up, nahi hurry.
are in hurry.
Hmm.
So the so these so they these are these this is the cause of accident.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, that's it.
Okay, ठीक है, हो जाएगा सब. प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, ये सब ठीक हो जाएगा. निशांत.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Nishant. I am a student of Ramban online interactive classes. Today's my topic is cities. As we all know that there are many facilities and services in cities
सुना करो एक दूसरे को
which
ध्यान
are,
से. हाँ.
which are provided by cities.
Hmm.
Cities life is very comfortable because due to their facilities we can get good education in cities because there are many schools.
Hmm.
There are also there are also big hospitals in rather than villages here. So everyone can get better and quick treatment in cities.
Hmm.
There are many advantages and disadvantages of cities. As we seen in newspapers that many crimes are happen in cities. So it can be said that cities has advantages and disadvantages. There are many there are many historical places in cities. For example, we take a Jaipur city.
Hmm.
There are many famous monuments in Jaipur city like Jal Mahal, Hawa Mahal, Taj Mahal, वो गोविंद देव जी टेम्पल
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm.
Cities are also helpful for the cities are also beneficial because they provide a lot of GDP. They contribute a lot of GDP in India's currency.
हाँ.
So cities are cities are economically very important. But there are many drawbacks of cities like there is not a there is less place for walking people and there is many traffic in cities, by which some people get harmed. And in cities, they in cities are generally very polluted, and some people get diseases like BP and lungs related diseases.
Hmm.
So cities are also harmful for some peoples. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. ठीक है, शाबाश. Yeah, Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Rao. I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today, my topic is city life.
Hmm.
As we all know that we all are human beings and we all live somewhere. The place in which from where we live, the the place the places from where we live are divided into the category of present facilities. The cities are listed on the top of this list because the cities are the most developed area in this list. The cities have so many types of facilities like medical, college, schools, libraries, etc.
Hmm.
If a person who lives if a person who lives in cities, he can get good education because there are so many types of good schools, colleges, universities. If he if he weak in a subject, he can get good coachings also. The cities have big and good libraries in which so many types of books are present. By these books we can increase our knowledge.
Hmm.
In the cities, there are so many good and big hospitals, by which if we are in emergency, we can go in hospitals and take good treatment.
Hmm.
Cities have so many academies in which we can improve our skills like dance academy, badminton academy, swimming academy, etc. Cities have so many tourist places which are so important for our economic system. Useful Cities are most useful places for economic systems. Uh,
Hmm.
cities So many village people come come to cities because of earning money. Cit- because cities have so many types of earning source. In the city contains so many
Hmm.
factories, companies, offices, etc.
Hmm.
The cities the cities have a good source of entertainment like big malls, movie halls, swimming pools, game centers, etc. from where we can do our time pass. City ha- city Cities cities have so few trees. Because of these trees, so few trees. But city has
Hmm.
pakki roads and good transposition.
Hmm.
Um, the city people always in hurry
Hmm. Are always in
because
hurry. Huh.
the city people are always in hurry, because of it so many accidents take places.
Hmm.
The city's people have not any honesty.
Hmm.
The neighborhood is almost finished in the city life.
Hmm.
The city people are so selfish.
Hmm.
They don't have time for their neighbors family. They only they only money.
हम्म
The city have so many facilities, but the city have
ये
not
दा क्यों लगा रहे
peace.
हो तुम सिटी से पहले? दा क्यों लगाते हो तुम इतना ज्यादा? कितनी बार समझाया है आपको? आगे बोलो आप।
Cities do not have do not have peace.
हम्म
Cities cities. Thank you, sir. That's it.
क्या हुआ? थोड़ा सा ग्रामेटिकली ध्यान रखो, तुम है
कुछ
ना
नहीं.
कई बार बहुत सारी चीजें बार बार गलती करते हो आप। थोड़ा सा फोकस करो आप।
Sir,
हाँ
sir, I want to speak again.
ओके आ जाओ बोलो।
Okay, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and I am student of the Raman online interactive classes from B16 and also from B18. And today our topic is city life.
हम्म
As we know that we are villagers, but we have come in cities
हम्म
um, because we all want to get avail of many facilities like medical facility, education, education facility, and loans facility, etc.
हम्म
Uh, cities are known for its facilities and it is also known for comfortable life. Most of the city people are shopkeeper, bank manager, and doctor, engineer, etc.
हम्म
And and cities have many big schools, colleges, and also universities, in which in which we can study and we can become a successful man. There are also many libraries
हम्म
we can get in which we can get knowledge about the things, and and cities have many parks, malls, and many monuments, and we can also pass our time in them. And uh, and and now I am talking about the problem of cities. There is a pollution because there are very few trees, and there is no fresh air,
हम्म
and there is Paki, there is there is Paki roads, so we can go anywhere in very less time. So we can say that city life is comfortable. Say that's it.
ओके ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ग्रामर पे और फोकस करो। ठीक है ना? और सबका हो गया? कोई रहा तो नहीं? चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।